Hello everyone. Today we will discuss a very interesting and a easy topic, dispersion of light. Questions related to this definitely will be asked in the board examination about the what is dispersion, what is the spectrum, then cause of dispersion. So all that we'll see in this lecture. So in the previous lecture we have seen few things about white light, that white light contains seven colors. See, there are two kinds of light, that is monochromatic and achromatic. So monochromatic light means, the word indicate, mono means single color and achromatic means more than one color. So white light is a achromatic light which contains light of seven different colors. So first, this experiment was done by Newton. So, what he has done, first he found that while doing some other experiment, what he observed that by a lens, when white light is passed, so at the edges has seen few colors. So, he first thought that might be some defect in the lens due to which he was getting the colors at the edges. Then he tried to change the lens, then we find take a polished lens and then tried to do the experiment, and then again he found that when the light, which is white light, when passed through that, again at the edges the colors are found. So to investigate it further, he performed another experiment with a prism. So what he does, first he allowed the white light from the sun to enter a dark room through a small aperture, okay, in a window. And then in front of it he placed a glass prism so that the light passed through that prism, as you can see in this figure. So in the same way, means white light was allowed to pass on the prism, and on the front of that prism he kept one white screen so that he can observe the lights after refraction passing through the prism. Clear? So what he observed, that when the white light was passed through that prism, on the screen colored patch like a rainbow, as you can see, means the colored light, means white light will be split into seven colors. So all that seven color will be formed on the screen, and the sequence is Vibgyor, means violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red, as you can see. So this phenomena of splitting of white light into seven colors when passed through a prism, this phenomena is known as dispersion. Clear? So this was first observed by Newton. So he has done that experiment. What he has done, first he found through the lens and then through the prism, and by the prism this whole process get cleared up, that why the light gets splitted, means white light, if you pass a yellow light through the prism, that you will not get all seven colors on the screen. You will get the seven colors on the screen only when the beam of white light, whether it is coming from sun or you take a tube light or a bulb light, which is a white light passing through a prism, then the seven colors will be observed on the screen. We have prism in the lab, and if we'll get a chance, then you can see that by passing the white light, the seven color observing on the screen. Okay, so this phenomena is known as dispersion. So also we know that the which light, this is mostly asked the question, that which color of light deviates the most and which color of light deviates the least. So we know that out of these seven colors, which one, red has the maximum wavelength and violet has the minimum wavelength. Okay, so that means red will deviate the least and violet will deviate the most. Why? Because red will have the highest wavelength, so it will have the maximum speed, and violet will have the lowest wavelength, so its speed will also be less. But the if we talk about the refractive index, so refractive index of red color is least and the refractive index of violet color is more. So because of that, red color will deviate the least and violet color will deviate the most. So how we can define dispersion? So splitting of white light into its constituent colors on passing through a transparent medium like glass prism is called dispersion. Then the seven color that we observed on the screen, so these band of seven color are known as spectrum. So the band of colored components of light, they are called spectrum, and the seven color which are formed on dispersion of light is called spectrum. Now the question is, what causes dispersion? So we have seen the white light passing through the prism and splitting into seven colors. So what is the reason? So in vacuum, light rays of different color travel with the same speed. This we have discussed in the previous lecture, that in vacuum all the colors of light travel with same speed. But in any other medium, they travel with different speed depending on their wavelength. So in other refracting media like glass, water, etc., lights of different colors travels with different speed. Okay, now the speed of violet color is least, while the speed of red color is greatest in glass. Why? Because the, as I told you, that violet color has the least wavelength and the red color has the maximum wavelength. So speed is also less of violet and the speed of red is maximum. So refractive index of glass is largest for violet color and least for red color, as I told you just now. So because of that, on passing through the prism, the violet color is deviated the most while the red color is deviated the least, and others color in between which are coming are deviated by intermediate angles. So different component colors of white light get dispersed on passing through a glass prism. So this is the reason for dispersion. See, all depend on the change in speed of light with wavelength. So that is why knowing the values are not important, that you remember all the values, the wavelength, but you must know that which light will have the maximum wavelength and which light have the minimum wavelength. That means through that spectrum that we observe on the screen, which is vibgyor, violet has the minimum wavelength and red has the maximum wavelength. This point is very important. This you have to remember, that red has the maximum wavelength, and because of that its speed is also highest, and violet has the minimum wavelength, so its speed is lowest. So when they travel, violet travel with least speed and red travel with maximum speed, but they have a inverse relation with the refractive index. So violet has more refractive index in comparison to red. So because of that, the red color will deviate the least and the violet color will deviate the most, and in between all depending on their wavelength. Clear? So this is the cause for dispersion. Now the recombination of white light. We have seen that when light passes through the glass prism, so seven, it's split into seven color and we observe seven color on the screen. Now if we place one inverted prism in front of the first prism, then it will recombine and you will get a white light on the screen. This is how we can again recombine the seven color which is observed on the screen, and if we place another prism in front of the first prism, then we get the white light back. Okay, so this is how we can recombine. Sometime it is not in your, I don't think it is given in your book, so but you must know that how, if white light is passing through a prism and we want to again take back the white light, so we have to place one prism inverted in front of the first prism and you will get a white light on the screen. So this is a very easy and important topic. The important thing that you have to know is the definition of dispersion, what is definition of the spectrum, also the cause of dispersion, and this is for your just general knowledge, that how we can recombine to the color light that we are getting after the dispersion. Again we can recombine it to get a white light. Okay, so go through this topic. I hope it will be interesting, you will find interesting and you will find easy. Thank you.